When you arrive on site to the location, look for our banner on one of our tents. Start your shopping at the A-frame and familiarize yourself with our basic shopping procedures. Customers can be expected to bring their own bags, but will be provided with bags if need be. Baskets are located at the entrance for shoppers as they shop the market. As you begin shopping the market, walk alongside our tables, selecting foods and products that are of interest to you, and perhaps being open to trying something new. Don't hesitate to ask any of our workers and volunteers about our selection and how to prepare a specific food. Your shopping experience will begin with root vegetables and apples, or other products of heavier weight. All of our produce and shelf-stable products are labeled and priced accordingly. Please visit this link to learn more about our pricing through our Fair Share payment system. Next, you will come upon our selection of leafy vegetables, honey, jam, and bread. Thought is given to the order in which you shop the products to allow you to conveniently place your items in your bag based on their weight and density. You'll then have the option to shop our selection of cooler products, which include meat, milk, and cheese. Our selection for that week will be written on our whiteboard. At this point, you've come to the end of your shopping trip and will check out with our lovely cashiers. Our team will collaborate to weigh your items and ring them up. In considering payment methods, we accept cash, credit or debit, SNAP and HIP, WIC, senior coupons, and mobile market gift certificates. And with that, you can now return home with your wonderfully fresh, local market items and start the next part of your journey, preparing delicious home-cooked meals with all of these kitchen essentials. Thanks for watching. We hope this video was informative in showing you how to navigate our local mobile farmers market.